Hey guys, Raisa here. Welcome back to the channel. I am about to sleep pero I decided to do a Miniso slash Mumuso haul. So, familiar ako sa Miniso pero yung Mumuso, recently ko lang siya nakita. Nakita ko, mayroon nagbukas siya sa Marquee Mall. So, I was excited. Para siyang kapatid ng Miniso. So, if you are familiar with Miniso, ayun yung kanyang logo. It's actually a Japan store. Para siyang Daiso or Japan Homes. Pero mas pricier ng konti, 99 pesos yung kanilang minimum. Pero mas magaganda yung items. Mas quality yung items. And mas cute yung mga find na makikita mo doon. Mas nakakainggan yung bumili. Let's proceed with the haul. First is some items from Mumuso. So, sabi ko nga recently ko lang sila na-discover. A lot of their items are worth 99 pero meron ding 149, 199. So, depende but mostly 99 pesos. Kompleto sila. Meron silang hangers, meron silang towels, socks, meron silang stuffed toy pillows. They have wet wipes. Ang daming items doon guys. Pero ang pinakamarami sa kanila is yung kanilang skincare. Dami rin nilang mga makeup items na very, very promising. So, first off is the BB cream. So I got this one. It's the BB Mumuso. So, ganyan lang yung itsura niya. And ang cute na kanyang packaging. This is worth 149. I am not quite sure kung meron pa silang ibang shades kasi doon sa counter wala na silang ibang shade na ino-offer. So this is the packaging. It's pretty legit you guys. Ang ganda ng teal effect niya no doon sa kanyang box. But the packaging looks like the box. So, there it is. Merong cat and merong ganap-ganap dyan na drawing. The claims are in Korean, so I can't understand a thing. So, meron siyang pump. I love squeezy tube like this in a pump. So, okay na okay siya. Just comment below kung gusto nyo gawan ko to ng review. Kung meron bang Mumuso sa inyo. Kung interesado ba kayo. Kasi plano kong gawan ng review. Hindi ko lang alam kung maraming may gusto nun. So, just comment below if you want that. I will do it. For the skincare naman, I just got one. So, this is their Amino Acid Bubble Brush Peeling Foam. So, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. It's really cute. Dalawa yung variant nito. I think meron pa sila ng color blue and it's a different type. Ito amino acid kasi and meron siyang brush right here. Let's open it. This is worth 249. So, this is what the product looks like. Meron siyang ganyang ganap. So, meron siyang safety safety cap in there. And meron siyang super soft. Oh my gosh, ang lambot pala nito. Meron siyang super soft bristles. This is a plastic bristle pero sobrang lambot niya you guys. Ang fear ko kasi nung umpisa baka baka matigas dahil nga parang plastic siya pero hindi, ang lambot niya. Tapos kapag pinapump mo to, lumalabas yung foam and then all you have to do is to brush it on your face and you're good to go. Let us see. I will give you guys update. The good thing is meron siyang cap so if you are traveling with it, okay na okay. Next are some nail polishes. This is worth 99. Medyo mahal siya kasi parang 50 pesos lang yung sa Miniso. But anyway, this is their hollow flex glitters na ganap dyan. So, binili ko lang to. I have tried this. I didn't like it. It's very goopy and it's very glue-like. Parang ganun yung consistency niya. It does not get very opaque. Kailangan mo ng 4 coats para maging super opaque siya. Pero hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-opaque. So, I am on the fence. Going to try more of their nail polishes. Next one is this. This is also worth 99 and nagtataka rin ako ba't ko ito binili. But anyway, it's like a duo. It's like a duo na medyo may glittery. This is a huge chunk of golden glitters and this one is the mas finer yung kanyang glitters. So, ganyan siya. Tatanggalin mo siya sa kanyang cap and you will get a duo. So, they are meant to be used together. You can use them separately. That's it. Ang mahal niya, 99. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko rin binili. But I'm a sucker for nail polishes. I bought some socks. Ginamit ko na siya kaya ganito na itsura niya. Pero para siyang nautical something. I have it in the shade gray and also the hindi siya black eh. Parang navy blue yung kanyang kulay. And then meron ding ganong nautical feel sa kanya, ganong nautical design. I seriously need to finish this haul. Ang tagal ko nang hinol yung first half. So guys, yeah, this is the second part. Actually, hindi siya second part. Idudugtong ko talaga siya doon sa nakapangtulog na ako. Kasi, yeah, hindi ko siya natapos. Parang tinawagan yata ako ni M that time. And then, lumabas kami, kumain kami somewhere. And then, pagdating ko, I am so tired. I cannot film. And yeah. We're going to proceed with our Miniso haul. Konti lang naman to, 3 item lang. So, might as well do it right now kasi kailan ko pa gagawin. Anyway, ito yung paper bags ng aking Miniso right here. Malaki lang yung mga paper bags pero wala naman silang laman. First item is this tumbler right here. Look at it, you guys. It is so full of huge chunk of glitters. Nagre-reflect. Teka lang. Is that better? Anyway, ayan. Yan yung itsura niya. Tapos covered siya all over hanggang sa baba. Covered siya all over ng sparkly, shimmery, silver glitters. Ang daming color selection nito. Ang daming color options. Merong blue, merong violet, merong green, I think. And yeah, I am a pink girl, so I bought the pink one. I think it really looks expensive. If I'm not mistaken, this is only worth $149. I hate drinking water. It is one of my weaknesses. Pag inom ng tubig, lagi ko nakakalimutan. Pero kung ganito yung mga lalagyanan ko ng tubig at ganito yung mga lalagyanan ko ng mga iniinom, why not, right? Why not? Second item I have here is this thing right here. This is my first ever neck pillow. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ngayon lang ako bumili ng neck pillow because I do a lot of traveling. We travel sa office kaya hirap na hirap ako matulog. At ako ang taong masa. Alam niyo ba yung taong masa? Yung masandal, tulog. Yun, ako yun. Hilig ako matulog sa biyahe. I really enjoy long travels because I just sleep it off. And this did changed my life when it comes to traveling. This is actually going to be featured on my June faves. Ayan, sa aking top 5 June favorite products. So, 4 na lang ang utang ko sa inyo kasi ito yung isa. Ayan. Travel kami one time sa Tagaytay and nagamit ko to, guys. As in, pagkagising ko nasa venue na, ganun kasarap yung tulog ko because it's just the perfect fit and hindi siya magsislip off kasi meron siyang dugtungan right here. Just the perfect fit for me. Kahit saan ako sumandal, okay na okay siya. And ang gusto ko detail is yung little bear sa likod kasi kahit walang headrest yung hihigan mo, kahit walang headrest yung sasakyan or whatsoever, no problem at all kasi meron siyang ganyan. And I think you cannot really resist the designs there in Miniso. Ang dami nilang design options, ang daming kulay, ang daming hayop. Ayan, ang daming hayop. Ang daming animals na pagpipilian. Ito, pinili ko yung sleeping bear. Merong rabbit, merong koala. Ang dami talaga, guys. So, if you haven't tried visiting a Miniso branch, just go check it out kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang neck pillow. They are really quality. Ang dami ring materials. Meron yung foam, bead foam, something. Meron din yung memory foam. Yung pinili ko yung normal na bulak lang pero siksik naman siya. So, it's really, really handy and I love it. And finally, the last item for this haul is a bag. Look at it, you guys. It is a backpack. It's like that. It has an outer pocket right here that clicks off. Ayan, hindi ko pa natatanggal yung mga bulak, ay mga papel-papel. Aside from this strap na pang backpack, meron din siyang pang hand, yan, hawakan. It snaps off din, kaya hindi siya pakalat-kalat. And then, you get here the main compartment. Ang laki nito, guys. Kasi hirap ako dun sa mga shoulder bag. Kasi ang dami kong dala, ang dami kong bitbit. Hindi ko talaga kayang bawasan yung gamit ko for some reason. Ang dami kong dala. Kailangan ko talaga ng bag na very, very, maganda yung support, parang gano'n. Hindi ko kayang bitbitin lahat ng gamit ko through a handbag. Kaya, I opt for the backpacks na para mas handy sila. And this is a kind of, it's a mixture of a sporty and a girly look. Kaya, okay na okay siya. Napasa niya lahat ng standard ko sa bag. Una, backpack siya. Pangalawa, yung kulay. I love grays and I love pinks and I love whites. And yung kanyang size, perfect din kasi malaki siya. So, it's perfect for traveling. And kahit anong dalhin ko, okay na rin siya. Meron din siya sa loob na, lalagyanan ng laptop. And meron siyang few compartments dito. So, yan, may zipper pa dito. Merong mga pocket dyan and merong big pocket right here. Kasi nung nag-open yung Miniso sa Clarks, kinabukasan pumunta ako, early morning, as in kakabukas ng mall. And last two items na lang yung nito nila doon. So, yeah. Meron silang isang kulay. It's maroon and gray, if I'm not mistaken. Pero if you are into this kinds of bag, I suggest you check out the nearest Miniso branch you have. So, that is it for this video, you guys. Konti lang naman yung mga na-feature ko. Konti lang yung mga nabili ko. Kasi ang daling mag-overshoot at overspend sa stores na Mumuso and Miniso kasi parang ang gaganda lahat ng nakikita mo. Parang kahit hindi mo kailangan, kailangan mo na rin. Parang ganun siya. I'm sure I'm going to do more hauls when it comes to Miniso and Mumuso. Sa Mumuso kasi, ang marami naman sa kanila is yung mga face mask, yung mga skincare. So, I'm definitely going to try a lot of their skincare and also makeup. Parang mas okay yung makeup option sa Mumuso compared to the Miniso. And for the things like this one, di hamak naman na mas okay din sa Miniso. Mas maraming options sa Miniso and mas malaki kasi yung store ng Miniso dito sa aming province. Comment below kung ano yung gusto niyo i-feature ko or i-review ko na makeup sa Mumuso or sa Miniso. Just comment it below and I will try my best to do that. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment below and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Always remember, be beautiful. Be you. Bye! This is actually going to be featured on my hindi naman, konti lang Miniso, Miniso haul. Miniso haul. I'm going to try a lot of face so much for watching. Please